my window looks right into the neighbor's garage. So I have some contact paper, and this is what we're gonna use to block the view. I already tried a little bit and it seems to be doing the job right. So let's get started. So I measured the width of the window and then cut the contact paper to that length. Then I folded the contact paper in half, cut it again, was left with 2 strips of that, and then I used the rubbing alcohol and a cotton round to clean the window, as you see me there, so dirty. And that's gonna prevent the dust from being on the window and any grease, which is gonna make the contact paper stick better to the glass. One of the things that I really like about the contact paper is that you can adjust it and take it off if you need to. I was getting too many air bubbles and I didn't like how it was looking, so I just had to take it off a couple of times. I was using a squeegee to take out the air bubbles, but then I found that using my hand in an iron motion, as you see there, was taking out all the air bubbles. I didn't have to use a squeegee, and at the end I just had to use an X-Acto knife to cut off the extra material. At this point everything looked really good from the inside, and I thought I had blocked out the view from the outside, but as you'll see in the next clip, you could still see movement, and so I had to add more contact paper. This is the view from the outside, and even though you can see very faintly that there is some movement there, in real life I could see it more. So I decided to put more contact paper so that I could block the bottom part of that window. Okay guys, so I wanted to give you this tip with the contact paper. One of the things that I do, and I figured out when I was doing putting the contact on the window, is I open up, as you can see here, just a tad bit all along the side here, and I flip it and I turn it where all I'm gonna be left with is that little bit of contact paper, and then that's what I'm gonna be putting initially on the window. Right here I'm aligning the contact paper so that it can be really straight and that it can go really smoothly afterwards. I did take a couple of tries, but afterwards, as you can see, it just went smoothly. Just took out some of the air bubbles that were left, and with the X-Acto knife I kind of cleaned off the edges. And then I saw that there was an overlap of the 2 pieces of the contact paper, so I used a straight edge so that I could cut with an X-Acto knife, and it left a little gap there, which I think looks kind of intentional. It wasn't intentional, but it turned out to be okay. Okay, so this is how it's looking right now. I did the bottom part as well because when I went outside, you could totally see from the outside with the light on. Even with the light off, you could see like movement, so I didn't want to risk it. But anyways, the blinds are gonna be down, and that's my main thing. I'm gonna do the blinds right now. So the blinds are gonna be down, and then this is gonna be closed off. There's not gonna be anything, and that's how I want to keep them, a little bit like this. I could totally do a little bit down, but then the light goes significantly lower, and what I want is like brightness inside. I love the light, so maybe I can do something like this and it'll be fine. Here's the view from the outside again, and as you can see where the contact paper is, all the view is completely blocked. And this is renter friendly too, because you can just take it off. It doesn't get sticky, and you can just take it off right away, and all you have to do is wipe it with some alcohol again, and it'll be as good as new. As you can see, I used clear matte contact paper, which mimics the frosted glass film, and it turned out great for the privacy that I needed. I needed something that was quick, that was easy, and I wanted to show you that you can achieve it really easily as well, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. There are actually some privacy glass window films that you can purchase, and I'll leave some links in the description so you can check them out. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe and comment below if you have that one window that needs this privacy treatment, and let me know how it goes. Have a great rest of your day and stay tuned for more DIYs here on Susie Makes It.